In a sunny forest, Cappy the capybara lived by a river. He loved watching butterflies and sparkling fish, always calm. One day, his friends Pico the parrot, Lulu the lemur, and Toto the turtle invited him to a race to the big mango tree. Cappy joined, reminding them to take their time. During the race, Lulu slipped and fell into a bush. Cappy calmly helped her out, brushing off leaves and offering a friendly smile. When they reached the mango tree, the race was over, but everyone agreed Cappy was the real winner. Lulu said, "Cappy, your heart is fast to help." Cappy smiled. Being calm helps us see what really matters. They shared mangoes, happy and peaceful. Being calm and kind is as wonderful as being fast or strong. Thanks for watching. See you next time.